Hey Renfrow's folks, did you know this is our 126th year of business? And as you probably know, we're sort of a traditional brick and mortar kind of a store. So we've got a little project we want to tell you about that we've started. It's the Renfrow's Manual Typewriter Project. We've had our soft opening and we've had some customers type on an index card and color with pencils a little saying or a verse or a poem or just their name, something creative, whimsical, spiritual, anything that's appropriate. We ask you to come by, physically type out something. It's not a screen for folks that have never used a typewriter. This will be an opportunity. We don't have whiteout. You have to back it up and hit the X. But we're going to store these in our little box here. And after a year, we're going to put them away for maybe 10 years and then open them again and see what we were thinking about in 2026. So come on by as you're getting your seeds or your hardware, your chicken feed, sit down at the table and type us out a little message and share it with your community here.